everybody. I am so excited to see you. Miss McLean here, and I want to teach you a new and fun math game that's going to use your knowledge of place value and addition to help you win. This game is called 101 and Out. The object of the game is to get closest to 100 without going over. If you hit 101, you're out and you lose. It's a fun game, but first we need to make our game board. All you need is a piece of paper and a dice. My dice has numbers on it, but if yours just has dots, that's perfect. Our game board looks like this. It says 101 and out. I wrote that across the top. I also had a workspace for player 1 and for player 2. In this game, we're going to roll 6 times. So I wrote roll 1, roll 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the winner is the person with the total of closest to 100 without going over. So I'm going to leave this up for one more second so you can see how, I know it's backwards, I'm so sorry, how I made my game piece so that you can make one at your house. So title at the top, space for player 1 and player 2, all your rolls, and your total at the bottom. So let's get started playing. I'm going to put my game piece down. We're going to start with number 1. Now the trick to this game is that the number on the dice could either mean your ones or your groups of 10. So let's say I rolled a 3. I could either use this as 3 ones or I could use it as 3 groups of 10, meaning it would be, that's right, 30. Since I'm trying to get to 100, I'm going to make mine worth 30. So 1 plus 30 equals 31. Now it's player 2 turn. They're going to roll. They rolled a 4. To keep things interesting, I'm going to make theirs worth 42. So 1 plus 40 equals 41, because this can either be ones or tens. We don't want to make it tens all the time because then our number would get big too fast and we would hit over 101 and would be out. You play this for 6 rolls. So last time, my turn, I rolled 3 and I wanted to use it as 3 tens. So I'm going to take the number, my total from my first roll, and put it to my second roll. 31 plus, ooh, let's see what I'm going to get. Ooh, 3. I'm going to use this as 3 tens again because it gets me close to 60, and then I can see if I need to start gauging up or gauging down. So how much is 3 tens? 10, 20, 30. The value of 3 tens is 30, so I'm going to add 30. 31 plus 30 equals, let's go over here. 1 1 plus 0 ones is 1 1. 3 tens plus 3 tens is 6 tens. So my new total is 61. I'm going to continue to play by myself and see what my total is at the end. So I have 61 now. I'm going to put that for roll 3 to start with. 61 plus, I don't know what it's going to be. Let's figure it out. 4. Ooh. 6 tens plus 4 tens is 10 tens. And 10 tens is 100. Plus 1 1. That's 101. I would be out of the game. I am not going to use 4 tens. I'm using 4 ones. So 61 plus 4 equals 1 1 plus 4 ones is 5 ones. And 6 tens plus 0 tens is 6 tens. My new total is 65. I'm going to keep going. 65 plus equals Okay, I'm going to roll. I'm going to roll. I rolled another 4. Same issue. I can't have 4 tens. That would be 10 tens. That would be over 100. I would lose. So I'm going to go with 4 ones again. 65 plus 4 equals, let's figure it out. 5 ones plus 4 ones is 9 ones. And 6 tens plus 0 tens is 6 tens. So now my new total is 69. I'm going to write that at the start of roll 5. 69 plus equals, all right, I'm going to roll. Y'all, I rolled a 4 again. We're going with 4 ones this time. So 69 plus 4 equals 9 ones plus 4 ones, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is 13 ones. I know 13 has 3 in the ones place value and 1 group of 10. 6 tens plus 1 10 is 7 tens. I could also count on to help me solve that. 69 plus 4, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. 69 plus 4 ones equals 73. Now for my last and final roll. Okay, rolling, rolling, rolling. I rolled a 2. I'm at 73, and I want to get closest to 100 without going over. 2 tens and 7 tens. That would give me 9. Oh, I'm going to go with tens this time. So 73, because that was my total from the last round, plus 2 tens. The value of 2 tens is, that's right, 20. 73 plus 20 equals, let's see, 3 ones plus 0 ones is 3 ones. And 7 tens plus 2 tens is 9 tens. I can also count on by tens. Ready? 73, 1 10 would be 83, and 2 tens would be 93. My total is 93. I'd love to see what your total is, and can you beat me? Remember, the winner is the person who gets closest to 100 without going over. Enjoy playing 101 and out, or 101 and out. See you next time. Bye.